KAIDA Optoelectronics is located in Nanjing, Jiangsu Province, China. More than 10 years, we focus on the designing, development, and manufacturing of connectors. We strive for excellence and control all procedures strictly, from the choosing of original material to the operating of the manufacturing line. From the working hard of R&D team to the thoughtful service on sales, we create impeccable quality with millimeter precision. Achieve tens of billions of point-to-point reliable transmission to achieve precise connections for sophisticated manufacturing. We have never stopped to pursue the excellent quality for many years. KAIDA Optoelectronics, we insist on being customer-centric, provide customers with more reliable and thoughtful connection services. With the pace of globalization, we continue to expand the market, work together with partners around the world to create infinite beauty. Rigorous, reliable, and responsibility are our core corporate culture. KAIDA Optoelectronics adheres to the original heart to forge ahead with ingenuity cast quality to create the future with interconnection. Every connection is the beginning of our trust.